Here's how to keep your MG Comet stylish even after rainy days. Use a damp cloth to wipe and clean the front, side and rear of the car. For the front, rear windshield and side windows, focus on the exterior part. For an optimum driving experience, wheels need your attention too. Clean them regularly with soapy water. To clean the wiper blades, first go to Vehicle Settings, click on the Wiper tab and toggle the wiper maintenance mode. Use soapy water to clean. With these simple steps, enjoy the sleek look of the MG Comet any day.